Peace, blessings, and love, family. This is the Elder Rasan Shakur out of the great city of New Orleans, Louisiana, coming to you with another great and informative video. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family, mankind. Well, family, they're marching on in, the immigrants, millions of them. And they ain't just bringing them to no sanctuary cities. And a lot of American people don't even know what's going on. Especially a lot of melanated people. That's right. They're bringing them in by the million. Donald Trump say, bring them on in. He don't care. Of course he don't. The Democrats don't care. The Republicans don't care. The only people going to suffer is the American people, because who's going to get their jobs? And then they're taking care of them, feeding them, giving them somewhere to stay, taking all our reparation money. So you know how they feel about us, about reparations. And Donald Trump right with them. He's sitting up there talking about some motherfucking wall. And then millions of people coming in here to get jobs and benefits and this, that, and the other. And they ain't built shit. They ain't struggled. They haven't done nothing. And they're gonna come in here hating on us, family. Exactly. They're gonna have a bunch of them at the welfare office and getting all the fucking cheap-ass jobs because they're gonna be working them for nothing. That's the new niggers, the new labor folks they're bringing in. That's the best I can say it, because there ain't nothing but the truth. And the Democrats and Republicans and all those people in the government are all in it together. They don't give a goddamn. They don't care nothing about none of us, especially the melanated family. That's who's gonna get stuck out. That's right. That's why we about to come together and love and unity. Cause we don't. It's gonna be a hard road to go. A lot of them gonna perish anyway when this shit hit the fan. No survival skills. A lot of them gonna wind up in FEMA camps. This, that, and the other. Cause they can't see what they're doing. The powers that be. That's right. Creating this chaos. Bringing in all these immigrants. Because America is falling, it has become the habitation of devils. And every foul and evil spirit. So you better get yourself prepared, family, for the upcoming chaos in America. That is coming. And if you ain't prepared, shame on you. Because I've been preaching this for a long time. Get prepared, get your survival skills. And you better know how to survive or you will die. And I'm out. Peace, love, and happiness to all the melanated family. Although listen to this video, please subscribe, put up the likes and shares, and stay tuned for the next live stream that's coming up in about an hour. And I'm out.